Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is a 3D model that I made in Blender, and finally I already put it into my Unreal Engine 5.8 game project, and you can see the player can interact with this 3D model with the proper collision setup. All the NPC and player can just walk on it, stand on it, and play on it as part of the game scene. How to make any of your Blender 3D model to become part of the game scene in Unreal Engine 5.8. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you all the step by step. Let's go. So now, you're already in the Blender. You can see now I have 3 meshes. So totally 3 meshes. The first step, you have to convert it to become just one single mesh. So first I just turn on the material. You can see it have different materials and different meshes. So now I just press A to select everything and just press Ctrl J. Now it already combined to become just one single mesh. It merged all meshes to become one single mesh. The next step, just click File, Export, FBX. The path mode you choose copy and turn on the embed texture to make sure all of the material texture will just embed inside the FBX file. I will just export the FBX file on my desktop, and I will just name this as model 01. I click export FBX. Now the FBX is at here. Next, just go to your Unreal Engine 5.8. Now I'm going to just launch the Unreal Engine 5.8 from Epic Game Launcher. Launch it. It is launching. Now, in Unreal Engine 5.8, I'm going to just create a fresh new game project. And I'm going to try the third person game. I click create. Now the Unreal Engine 5.8 is creating a fresh new game project. Now the game project is ready. The first thing you need to do is go to the window, the menu, window, content browser. Just call out the content browser 1 to make sure the content browser is ready at here. And now I'm going to import the FBX file from my desktop. Under the content folder in Unreal Engine 5.8, I right click to create a new folder. Name this new folder as model 01. Double click in. Then I drag in the FBX file into that. Then click import. Now it already imported as a static mesh. Alright, so I'm going to just make it bigger. I just press S. Sorry. I'm going to just press R to just make it bigger. And I press W so that I can adjust the location. It must be somewhere there. So now I'm going to check this 3D model. And then, now, if I try to play, I approach the 3D model. You can see now I cannot cross it, I cannot approach it because of the collision setting is not set properly yet. So next we are going to set the collision. Go into the model 01, static mesh, just double click in. Then at the right hand side you have to scroll down the tabs until you see the collision. The collision complexity, you have to change it, switch it from project default to become use complex collision as simple. Use complex collision as simple. Then click save and close. Now you try to play again. You can see now the player can interact with the 3D model. The player can walk on the 3D model. Now the collision setting is perfect. You can walk on that. It is really easy. of the collision already set up properly. Now, this 3D model, the model 01, already become part of your game assets, which your NPC and your player can interact with the 3D model as part of the scene if you put on the scene. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to import the Blender 3D model to become part of your Unreal Engine 5.8 scene so that your player and NPC can interact with the 3D model, stand on it, run on it, and interact on the 3D model. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!